We are going to organize the international conference on social transformation through science, technology, engineering, and management. The conference is organized by the Unity Social Foundation in association with the College of Engineering Pune and Institution of Engineer Pune. The aim of this conference is to bring all technocrats, engineers, scientists, educational people like professors and the people from the bureaucrats, governments, to share their views on the research they have done in the various areas of science and engineering, technology and Constitution of India. Nowadays, the India has gone through a lot of transformation on the economic, GDP, again the lot of pandemic situation. The people of our India and world, they are going through the lot of transition phase. This conference aims to bring all the people who has done the work, who have done the research in the various areas of science, engineering, technology, economy, law, again the literatures of the great people like Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Shah Maharaj, and so many others people who work for the nation. The conference has got a huge response from the Maharashtra, India, again from the foreign countries. We got the research paper from the Ethiopia. We got the research paper from the Australia, USA, Germany. The conference aims to bring all the people from the industries, academics, researchers who are working in the various defense institutes to share their thoughts, views through the research paper in this conference. For this conference, the invitation has been given to our Honorable Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Uddhavji Thackeray sir. We got a response through the email. Again, this invitation has been given to the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Honorable Ajit Dada Pawar sir. Again, the invitation has been given to the Subhash Desai sir, Ministry of Industries. We have talked personally to the Subhash Desai sir, and he is willing to join the conference through personally or maybe online. Secondly, we have given the invitation to the Honorable Wadantiwar sir, who is a cabinet minister, and he has done a lot of work on the social transformation in the drought affected area for the farmers, and he is going to come as a chief guest to this conference. Although this conference aims to bring the all people through their research work, and for this conference the last date for sending the abstract is 30 March 2022. After that there is a review committee, and that review committee gives us the selection of paper notice by the 2nd of April, and registrations we have to do for the conference before the 4th of April, and the research paper may be of initially abstract is of a 1 page, and extended paper may be of a 3 to 4 page, or maybe you can extend it more. And the conference is scheduled on the 17th April 2022, Conference Hall of the Government College of Engineering, COEP, Shivajinagar, Pune. And here is a fees for academic and industrial people is around 1000 rupees. For the student, 500 rupees is the fees, and for the international participants, the fees is 5000 rupees. And this conference, we are getting the huge response, just I have told earlier, but again I am appealing all the teaching fraternity in the science, engineering, art, commerce and university and institute across the Maharashtra and India to participate in the conference. A lot of industrial revolutions and research has been taken place in the region of Maharashtra, DRDOs, again in the India and global. All this research work related to the industry has to present in the conference, and definitely we are going to form the proceeding of it, and we will publish this paper in the proceeding of International Conference on the Social Transformation through the science, engineering, technology and management. Again, we are having the collaboration with the Institution of Engineers. So in that also annual journal is there. In that also the high quality paper are going to publish. So these are the supports we are getting from the technical associations. Again, we need a support from the industrial peoples, the people who want to sponsor to this conference. So we are having the sponsorship in the form of platinum sponsorship, which fee is around 1 lakh rupees. We are going to publish your 2 advertisement of A4 size page. Again, we can allow your 10 to 15 participant free for this conference. Second sponsorship is a golden sponsorship, which consists of fee around 50,000 rupees. We are going to allow around 8 to 10 people free participant in the conference. Third sponsorship category is the silver sponsorship, which fee is around 25,000. We allow 5 to 6 participants for this conference as a free, and we can publish their advertise of a half A4 size page. So all this is about this conference. Again, the student from the College of Engineering are there. We can not charging any fee, so it is a free of cost to those students. Again, the students or a person who are from the poor section of our society, we allow them to participate in the conference as a free participant, and we are going to provide them the tea breakfast, again a conference kit, again a certificate of the conference, again the lunch arrangement has been done, again high tea. So every arrangement has been done it there for all the participants. So I am requesting all the people in the Maharashtra and India to participate in the conference with a huge response, make it as a grand success. And our organizing team from the COP, Dr. Pantamne sir, head of department production, again the Dr. Watwe sir, again a Dr. P.B. Kumbar sir, Dr. Bhavanji Jogdan sir. So again the Rajkumar Bhagat, Mr. Dhan Vijay, all these people are working hard to make this conference very successful. Again the coordinators are there, Mahale sir, again Aman Kamble sir. So these are also working very hard. So I am appealing all the people to participate in the conference. And I am very much thankful to the Jagruti channel. Our friend is there, Mr. Bhujwal sir. He is a very young and dynamic personality who is invited here for the interview. And their whole team is working very hard to make this conference very successful, and all of you to avail this great facility that is initiated in the India. So thank you all. Jai Bharat, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Hind.